Welcome everyone. This is Karpaya from RMD Engineering College. This video is about the circuit analysis unit number 5. The topic is interrelationship between the parameters of two-port network. Now let us start the topic. Already we have discussed in the previous lectures what is two-port network and how the two-port network is solved using the parameters, different parameters. We have discussed about the four parameters. They are nothing but Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD parameter and H parameters. They have some different names also. And all these parameters we have discussed in the earlier video. Now in this video we are going to derive the interrelationship between these four parameters. The first topic, which it will relate the Z parameter with Y, H and ABCD. I am going to derive the Z parameter in terms of Y, in terms of H, in terms of ABCD. The next topic is Y parameter in terms of Z, H and ABCD. The third one is H parameter in terms of Z, Y and ABCD. Similarly, the fourth one is ABCD parameter in terms of Z, H and Y. First, we will write Z parameters in terms of other parameters. These two equations already we have derived in the previous lectures. These two equations, they are giving the relationship between the input current and input voltage with output current and output voltage using the Z parameters. The Z parameter equations are V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Similarly, the next equation V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Now I am going to write the Z parameters in terms of Y parameters. For that I am taking the first Y parameter equations. They are I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. Similarly, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Now, these two equations can be written in terms of matrix. So, left hand side I am having I1 I2, that is as it is in matrix I1 I2, that is equal to right hand side the coefficients of the variables V1 and V2, they are nothing but Y11 Y12 Y21 Y22 into V1 V2. Now this matrix can be solved using Grammar's rule. Using Grammar's rule I am going to find what is V1 and V2. So using Grammar's rule, V1 equal to del V1 divided by delta and V2 equal to del V2 divided by delta. And we know that what is delta? Delta is nothing but the determinant of the coefficients. That is nothing but delta equal to Y11 Y12 Y22 Y22. And del V1 and del V2 can be written by replacing the corresponding columns of the determinant of the coefficients. That is nothing but del V1 equal to, in this determinant I am replacing the first column with I1 I2, and similarly del V2, that is nothing but in this I am replacing the second column with I1 I2. Okay, so now V1 equal to I1 I2 Y12 Y22 divided by Y11 Y12 Y21 Y22, that is equal to, if I do the multiplication, I1 Y22 minus I2 Y12 whole divided by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. Okay, and that is nothing but V1 equal to I1 into Y22 divided by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21 plus I2 into minus Y12 whole divided by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. For simplicity we can consider this one as del Y. Okay, so similarly we can write what is V2. This is equation number 5 and 6. If we compare these two equations with equation number 1 and 2 in the previous page, that is nothing but V1 equal to V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. That equation is compared with equation number 5, and the equation number 2, V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. That equation is compared with equation number 6. So by comparing, simply I am writing the coefficients alone. Z11 equal to Y22 divided by delta. I am taking this denominator, whole denominator, as del Y, and Z12 equal to, for your understanding, this is nothing but del Y. Okay, so Z12 equal to minus Y21 minus Y12 divided by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21, that is nothing but del Y. Similarly, if I consider equation number 6 with the equation number 1, I can write Z21 equal to minus Y21 divided by del Y, and Z22 equal to Y11 divided by del Y. Now, using this the Y parameters, we can find what are the Z corresponding Z parameters. Suppose if the Y parameters are given, Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 are given, means we can find what are the Z parameters, Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, using these 4 relationships. Next, we are going to derive the same Z parameters in terms of H parameters. For that, I have taken the H parameter equations. They are nothing but V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. I am taking these two equations as equation number 3 and 4, and for our reference, I have written the equation number 1 and 2. They are nothing but Z parameter equations. Okay, since I am having the different variable on my left hand side, I'm not going to use the Cramer's rule. If I use the Cramer's rule, it will complicate the derivation. So I am going to use the substitution method. Okay, I am taking the equation number 4, from which I am writing what is V2. V2 equal to minus H21 divided by H22 of I1 plus 1 by H22 of I2. Now I am substituting this equation number 5 in equation number 3, so that I am getting V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 of this term is nothing but V2. After substituting the V2 values, I am rewriting the equation as V1 equal to H11 H22 minus H21 H12 divided by H22 of I1 plus H12 divided by H22 of I2. Now I am comparing the equation number 6 with equation number 1, as well as equation number 5 with equation number 2. By comparing the equations, I am writing the coefficients. They are nothing but Z11 equal to H11 H22 minus H12 H21 whole divided by H22, where this term can be represented as del H. Z12 equal to H12 divided by H22, and Z21 equal to minus H21 divided by H22, Z22 equal to 1 by H22. I can write these 4 terms as Z matrix. Z equal to Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. Okay. So the third one is Z parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. For that, I have to take the ABCD parameter equations. They are nothing but V1 equal to V2 plus B of minus I2, I1 equal to CV2 plus D of minus I2. The same method like the previous derivation. Here I am going to write the equation number 4 as V2 equal to 1 by C of I1 plus D by C of I2. And I am substituting that V2 in equation number 3, that is nothing but V1 equal to A into this whole term is V2 minus B I2. After that, I am just modifying the equation as V1 equal to A by C I1 plus AD minus BC whole divided by C of I2. This is equation number 6. Again, I am comparing the equation number 6 with 1 and equation number 5 with 2, so that I am writing the z values. Z11 equal to a by c, Z12 equal to AD minus BC whole divided by C, Z21 equal to 1 by C, Z22 equal to D by C. Now the Z matrix is Z equal to this A by C is nothing but Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. Till now we have discussed the Z parameters in terms of H parameter, Y parameter and ABCD parameters. Next we are going to see about the H parameters in terms of other three parameters. Okay, so for that I am taking the H parameter equations. They are nothing but V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H21 V2 and I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, first I am going to write the H parameters in terms of Z parameters. For that I am taking the Z parameter equations. They are nothing but V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Let us take this is equation number 3 and this is 4. Here in equation number 1 we are having different, in left hand side we are having different parameters, voltage and current V1 and I2. So I am going to use substitution method. So I am going to use the fourth equation first and I am going to rewrite that equation, fourth equation, as Z22 I2 equal to V2 minus Z21 I1 and I2 equal to 1 by Z22 of V2 minus Z21 divided by Z22 of I1. Let us take this one as plus and I am bringing that minus inside. Okay, so now this is, I am taking this one as equation number 5 and I am going to substitute this equation number 5 in 3. So V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12. In the place of I2 I am writing the equation number 5. And I am modifying this equation as I am taking the I1 terms separately and V2 terms separately. The I1 terms are nothing but Z11 plus Z12 into minus Z21 divided by Z22. For that the common term is I1, I am taking outside, and plus Z12 divided by Z22 of V2. Okay, so now I am taking this equation as number 6 and comparing equation number 1 and 6. Equation number 1 is V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H21 V2 and equation number 6 is V1 equal to the same, V1 equal to I1 with some coefficient and V2 with some coefficient. I am equating the coefficients. In equation number 1 the coefficient of I1 is H11, in equation number 6 the coefficient of I1 is Z11 plus Z12 minus Z21 whole divided by Z22, and similarly the coefficients of V2, they are nothing but H21 equal to Z12 divided by Z22. Okay, similarly if I compare equation number 5 and 2, I can write the terms H21, that is the coefficient of I1, H21, that is equal to the coefficient of I1 is here minus Z21 divided by Z22, and similarly the coefficient of V2 is H22, and here the coefficient of V2 is 1 by Z22. Okay, so now these are the four parameters of H parameter, and we can write this parameter, these parameters as matrix. Therefore the H parameter matrix is nothing but, we know that already, H11, H12, H21, H22, and they are nothing but H11 is Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21, just I have done a cross multiplication, Z22, and H12 is Z12 divided by Z22, H21 is minus Z21 divided by Z22, and H22 is 1 by Z22. Now the next one is H parameters in terms of Y parameters. In terms of Y parameters, for that I am going to take the Y parameter equations. They are nothing but I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Though here I am having same parameters, left hand side I am having I1, I2, the current parameters, equation number 1 and 2 they are having different parameters. So I have to go for substitution method. Okay, so I am going to rewrite the equation number 3 here, Y11 V1, that is equal to I1 minus Y12 V2, and V1 equal to 1 by Y11 into I1 minus Y12 divided by Y11 of V2. If I bring this minus inside the parameters, then it is nothing but plus. Okay, so this is equation number 5. I can substitute this value in equation number 4, and equation number 4 now it is nothing but I2 equal to Y21 into 1 by Y11 I1 plus minus Y12 divided by Y11 into V2 plus Y22 V2. If I modify this equation, I will get Y21 divided by Y11 of I1 plus Y22 minus Y21 Y12 whole divided by Y11. This is the coefficient of V2. if I do the cross multiplication, I will get this equation as y21 divided by y11 I1 plus y11 y22 minus y12 y21 whole divided by y11. This is the coefficient of V2. Okay. Now this is equation number 6. Now as usual, if you are comparing equation number 6 with equation number 1 and equation number 5 with equation number 2, you will get the coefficients of y parameters: y11, y12, y21, y22. Okay. By comparing 6 and 1, similarly 5 and 2, you will get the parameters h11 equal to 1 by y11, h22 equal to y11 y22 minus y21 y12 whole divided by y11, and h21 equal to y21 divided by y11. Similarly, h12 equal to minus y12 divided by y11. Okay, these are the 4 parameters we will get and compare equation number 6 with equation number 1 and equation number 5 with equation number 2. And we can write the h parameter matrix in terms of y parameters. The first term is h11, that is nothing but 1 by y11. Second parameter is h12, that is nothing but minus y12 divided by, this is h12, sorry, minus y12 divided by y11. And third parameter is h21, that is nothing but y21 divided by y11. And fourth one is y11 y22 minus y12 y21 divided by y11. This is h parameter matrix in terms of y parameter. Now I am going to derive the h parameters in terms of ABCD. For that I am taking the ABCD parameter equations: V1 equal to AV2 plus B into minus I2, I1 equal to CV2 plus D into minus I2. Let us consider these two equations are equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now I am going to modify the equation number 4 and I am writing I2 equal to minus 1 by D of I1 plus C by D of V2. This is, let us consider this is equation number 5, and I am going to substitute this equation number 5 in 3, and I am getting V1 equal to, equation number 3 I am writing V1 equal to A into V2 plus B into minus I2 I am having. Instead of minus I2 I am writing this term. So this is minus 1 by D I1 plus C by D V2. If I modify this equation, I will get B by D I1 plus AD minus BC whole divided by D into V2. This is equation number 6. Now if I compare equation number 6 with equation number 1 and equation number 5 with equation number 2, we will write H11 equal to B by D, H12 equal to AD minus BC divided by D, H21 equal to C by D, and H22 equal to minus 1 by D. So again, the H parameter matrix in terms of ABCD parameters, the first term is H11, that is nothing but B by D, H12 AD minus BC by D, H21 C by D, and H22 minus 1 by D. So if you know the ABCD parameters, we can find the H parameters using this equation. Now I am leaving the fourth one, ABCD parameters in terms of other parameters, to the students for practice. What you have to do, you have to write the ABCD parameters in terms of first one Z parameter, second one Y parameter, third one H parameter. Okay, for that what you have to do, you have to take the ABCD parameter equations that already we have written here. You have to take these two equations as number 1 and 2, and you have to take, to solve the first one, you have to take the Z parameter equation, equation number 3 and 4, and you have to solve those four equations, and you have to get the ABCD, A equal to, B equal to, C equal to, and D equal to. And similarly, you have to take the next two terms, two equations of Y parameter, and you have to solve, and the final one is you have to take the H parameter equation and you have to solve with ABCD parameters. This is for your practice. Okay, thank you.